Hi, this is Evan from RSTOR, and today I'm going to be demonstrating how to use bucket logging with the command line interface. To do this, we are going to use the AWS CLI tool. First, we need to create a JSON file that has the necessary parameters in order to enable logging. This JSON includes the target prefix, the bucket you'd like to store your logs at, and the grantee key. Once this is done, we're going to send this JSON with the put bucket logging command that's built into the AWS S3 API. And once this is done, bucket logging is now enabled. To get logging to start, we must first upload a file of any size. Here I'm going to upload a relatively small text file, as I already have a bunch of files in the bucket. Logging is typically done every 15 minutes or less on our end, so if you don't see a file immediately, please wait as one will appear. Now I'm going to download the bucket back to see if we have the log files. Once the files have finished downloading, we can check the logs directory. In here, we should be able to view our logs from this download and the previous ones. These logs are fairly extensive, as you can see.